Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about food, orange, soda, cookie, egg, rice, cake, banana, milkshake, chicken, pizza. So we have a sentence structure using a question and answer. So repeat after me. What food do you want? I want banana. I don't want soda. So now let's practice. Which food do you want and which food you don't want? What food do you want? Very good. So this time, let me tell you which food I want and I don't want. So all you have to do is listen and like listen carefully to what I say. So after that, you can follow what I say. Okay? I want an orange. I don't want soda. I want a cookie. I don't want an egg. I don't want rice. I want cake. I want banana. I don't want milkshake. I want chicken. I want pizza. So do you understand what I say? Very good. Thank you for listening.